Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee cake at home. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your ingredients to baking a perfectly golden brown cake. You'll learn how to create that irresistible crumb, topping, and achieve a moist, flavorful cake every time. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this delightful homemade treat, perfect for any occasion. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. For the cake, you'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Don't forget 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. For the streusel, you'll need additional flour, sugar, and butter, plus a touch of cinnamon. Now let's get mixing. First, whisk together your dry ingredients in a medium bowl. In a separate larger bowl, cream the softened butter with both sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Gradually beat in the egg, then alternate adding the milk and dry ingredients until just combined. Pour half the batter into a 9-inch baking pan, sprinkle with half the streusel, then repeat the layers. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your assembled coffee cake in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool completely on a wire rack before adding any optional glaze or slicing into generous portions to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.